1682, line of waves, runway right, east brake. Up 1705, line of sky, 1807, coming on the right, middle lane. Middle lane, then right, up 1705.
7 on out the widest, coming down with the mic, 2 trips, take off. So 1198, 107, on the flight 2 miles away, for delay for Enfield facing traffic will be downfield.
5130 at Montana Tower, 1109, coming on the right. Right, full line, there, American 629. Closest to 1, get in. American 29 out. Please don't get away from the side. Left on November behind company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company in November 2 is going to follow you. Delta 2684 run. Then 3514 and Papa Cross 1 on the left. Join Lima 0.75. And Papa Cross 9 west. Lima 0.75 3514. 438 traffic 2.5 off, cross 1 on the right, then turn left on November. Turn right, left on November, 438. Traffic 9012, turn left on November, hold for the Papa. Left on November, hold for the Papa, 9012.